Welcome to Auto's Time, your ultimate destination for everything automotive. Today, we're diving into the world of Italian excellence with a car that defines performance, luxury, and pure driving pleasure. The Ferrari 812 GTS. Get ready to experience the roar of a V12 masterpiece that's not just a car, but a statement on wheels. The Ferrari 812 GTS is the open-top version of the 812 Superfast, and it proudly carries the legacy of Ferrari's front-engine V12 convertibles. This isn't just any convertible, it's the most powerful production spider in the world. Under the hood, it packs a monstrous 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12 engine that produces a jaw-dropping 789 horsepower and 718 Nm of torque. This beast can accelerate from 0 to 100 km/h in just under 3 seconds, with a top speed of over 340 km/h. Yes, you heard that right. This convertible is faster than most supercars with roofs. What makes the 812 GTS truly special is the driving experience. With its retractable hardtop that folds away in just 14 seconds, even while driving at speeds up to 45 km/h. You get the best of both worlds: an aggressive coupe when the roof is up and a breathtaking open-air roadster when it's down. The sound of that V12 engine roaring behind you with the roof open is pure symphony. Ferrari didn't just build a convertible, they engineered an experience that connects you to the road and the sky. Design-wise, the 812 GTS is nothing short of spectacular. Its sculpted lines and aerodynamic curves aren't just for show, they enhance performance. The long hood, sharp front grille, and aggressive rear diffuser give it a muscular yet elegant look. Ferrari's attention to detail is evident in every angle, from the sleek LED headlights to the signature quad exhaust tips that hint at the power within. Step inside, and you're greeted by a driver-focused cockpit that blends luxury with functionality. The interior is wrapped in premium leather, carbon fiber accents, and cutting-edge technology. The digital instrument cluster provides all the performance data you need, while the steering wheel-mounted controls put everything at your fingertips. It's a perfect balance between racing heritage and modern luxury. But the 812 GTS isn't just about raw power, it's also about precision. Ferrari's advanced vehicle dynamics, including electric power steering, rear-wheel steering, and side-slip control, ensure that every corner is conquered with confidence. Come to life. The car feels agile. We're diving into the world of Italian automotive. Whether you're cruising on the highway or taking a twisty mountain road, the Ferrari has also paid attention to comfort. This is not just any Ferrari, it's a masterpiece. The 812 GTS offers a surprisingly designed for those who crave the thrill of the suspension system. The Ferrari 812 GTS is the convertible version of the iconic 812 supercar capabilities, and when it comes to same exclusivity, the Ferrari 812 GTS naturally aspirated 6.5 joining an elite 12 engine enthusiasts who appreciate the pinnacle of automotive engineering. It's not just a car, it's 718 Nm of torque, and this isn't just numbers commitment to excellence. So, if you're looking for a car that delivers mind-blowing performance, the engine revs all the way up to 8,900 revolutions per minute. Ferrari 812 GTS Ferrari V12 it's a celebration of speed, pure magic, style, especially when your retractable hardtop is the iconic, letting you feel every note of that ferocious exhaust. Speaking of the roof, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, or retractable hardtop for more incredible content in just the world's most exciting cars, even while driving at speeds up to 45 km/h. This design keeps the sleek silhouette intact, whether the roof is up or down. With the top off, you're not just driving a Ferrari, you're immersed in the elements, with the wine rushing past and the engine's roar surrounding you. It's a sensory overload in the best possible way. Performance-wise, the 812 GTS is a rocket on wheels. It sprints from 0 to 100 km/h in just under 3 seconds and can reach a top speed of over 340 km/h. The 7-speed dual-clutch transmission shifts with lightning precision, delivering seamless acceleration that pins you to your seat. Ferrari's advanced aerodynamics ensure that the car remains stable even at high speeds, with clever design features that manage airflow for maximum performance. Inside, The cabin is a perfect blend of luxury and sportiness. High-quality materials like premium leather, carbon fiber, and aluminum are crafted with meticulous attention to detail. The driver-focused cockpit puts all controls within easy reach, emphasizing the connection between man and machine. The steering wheel is packed with controls, including Ferrari's signature Manettino dial, allowing you to switch between different driving modes to suit your mood, whether it's a relaxed cruiser and all-out performance blast. But the 812 GTS isn't just about brute force and sharp looks, it's also a technological marvel. Ferrari's cutting-edge side-slip control, electronic stability systems, and dynamic steering ensure that the car remains composed in any situation. It feels alive, responding to every input with precision and agility. The rear-wheel steering adds to its nimbleness, making cornering sharp and effortless despite its grand touring proportions. What makes the 812 GTS truly special is the driving experience. It's not just about speed, it's about emotion. The combination of open-air freedom, the visceral sound of the V12, and the responsive handling creates a connection between the driver and the road that few cars can match. Every drive feels like an event, whether you're carving through mountain roads or cruising along the coastline. The exterior design is unmistakably Ferrari, sleek, aggressive, and aerodynamic. The long hood, sharp lines, and muscular rear haunches give it a commanding presence. Signature Ferrari elements like the quad taillights and aggressive front fascia remind you that this is a car born from racing heritage. The retractable hardtop doesn't compromise the design, maintaining the elegant proportions whether it's up or down. Driving the Ferrari 812 GTS is more than just transportation. It's an expression of passion, performance, and freedom. It's a car that turns heads, stirs emotions, and delivers an unforgettable experience every time you get behind the wheel. Whether you're a Ferrari enthusiast or simply appreciate automotive excellence, the 812 GTS represents the pinnacle of what a grand tourer can be. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this look at the Ferrari 812 GTS, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing content on the world's most exciting machines. Until next time, keep the passion for driving alive.